What's up, you guys? Becca Switzer here with Roof Sales Mastery, and 11 fish. Actually, that's 7 back there, but there's more over there and over there and in there. Adding up to 11. Yo tengo 11 pescados y un perro. Anyways, when will the phlegm go? When will I be done with this trash? I don't know. I wanted to really give somebody massive kudos today, and that woman is Ashley Brown. Ashley recently had surgery, and she has been on like crutches and a little knee scooter for weeks now. And there was a huge storm in her area recently, like over the last like couple of days. And she just sent me a voice message and was like, yo, I'm still on a knee scooter and crutches, and I just got done working today, and I have 14 jobs from the storm already. Excuses are bullshit. And I just want to give her a huge shout out. And also just, guys, just another reminder. I know that this is something that I preach about all the time, but it's not about your circumstances. It's about your decisions and your commitment. Like, everybody has circumstances. And you know what? It's super easy to say, you can make valid excuses that might be totally valid and legitimate. But do you want excuses or do you want results? Because you can't have both. And the people who get results, they have things that they could use as excuses. I don't want to go out today. I'm tired. I deserve this break. I'm sick. I'm hurt. Like, the conditions aren't just right. I worked really hard yesterday. But then, meanwhile, Ashley Brown is on a scooter with her busted leg and knee and foot or whatever it is that's going on with her. Ashley, I'm sorry, I don't remember the details. And she's got 14 jobs. So she's going to be taking home 15, 20 grand, and the rest of you making excuses are going to be just eating ramen. So you want 15 grand or you want ramen? Or do you want 15 grand and ramen, because ramen is still delicious? But this is just a reminder. Use that as inspiration, you guys. Like, do I want to stick with my excuses, or do I want the lifestyle that I really want? Because you can't have both. So kick ass. Just choose to find a way. If something is important to you, you will either make excuses or you'll find a way to get the result that you're after. And I hope that you choose to get the result that you're after, because we all deserve to live the best life possible, but that doesn't happen by accident. It happens by working for it. Switzer out.